Hi, this is Spencer Colgan and welcome to Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. And we just have a very proud installation to show you. We are in the beautiful Tampa area in sunny Florida. And this is a composite of vinyl. This is a residential vinyl on an accent wall in a bedroom. And all of our accent walls are measured from the middle, meaning we determine the middle line and take the middle of the wall and take the middle of the sheet of wallpaper and start, at least planning wise, starting in the middle. And we install either from the left or the right, it doesn't matter, but we plan from the middle so that you're symmetrically equal on either side of the installation. I hope you like it. This was done by our finest wallpaper installer that we have under me, and that is John Walls. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, click on like, subscribe to our channel, and get all the notifications by clicking on the little bell. Thanks for watching. Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper.